my name's Oliver from the Base Code sales team, and I would like to show you our latest factory fitted wheelchair conversion for the Mercedes Turismo. The conversion was carried out at the Moby People factory in Portugal. It includes the fitting of a Hydrol Global wheelchair lift and Hanover destination equipment, which is found in the front, rear and near side of the coach. No seating capacity is lost due to the conversion, as 2 double seats are fitted with quick release feet for easy removal to create the space for a wheelchair passenger when it is needed. The wheelchair restraints for a wheelchair passenger are included in the conversion. We submit the completed vehicle for PSVA 1 inspection, so you will receive your coach back complete with the PSVAR certificate. We can also supply factory-fitted wheelchair solutions for several other models, including Neoplan, Marco Polo, Scania Omni, Claxton Leopard, Irizar Century, Barbie, VDL, Tata Hispano, Sunsundagai, Euless, Mercedes Turismo, and of course Moby People. If you want more details, please find our contact details below.